traffic control, you're cleared for takeoff.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, though.
Hey guys, we landed safely. We're in Fort Lauderdale, Illinois, so we're going to stay over and then book another flight tomorrow to Philly. We're waiting on our drive to come. Actually land earlier than expected. Tired. But no, it's gonna look fuzzy because I'm using the front camera.
I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts on 745. You drive me crazy, shorty.
That's Black D? Yeah.
Provide everything you need, and I like your smile, and I want to see you cry.
And what's this?
Honey chicken.
And the other one?
Regular chicken.
Regular chicken? Hey, let me try the honey chicken.
Spicy. Yes.
It's spicy? Yeah.
Yes.
Spicy. Like spice. One is hot, medium.
Mayo.
Yeah.
Medium.
I don't understand. Cheese. And some of the avocado. Yeah.
Why not take the avocado separate? You get more.
You get more? That's a lot. I see. Yeah.
It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me, girl? Could you love me on a bus? I like 21 questions, and they all about. Could you love me in a Bentley? Could you love me on a bus? I like 21 questions, and they all about. Follow me in a girl. Could you love me on a bus? I like 21 questions, and they all about. Could you love me in a Bentley? Could you love me on a bus? I like 21 questions, and they all about. Follow me in a girl. Could you love me on a bus? I like 21 questions, and they
Gas me up, give me motivation. The way we move, skin on skin. No separation, need no conversation. Nah, nah, nah. On everything. It's automatic, going 0 to 100. Nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you too long. Right before I decide to go. I like you hurt me. Only sum it up if you deserve for me. Yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stars. I like you hurt me. Only sum it up if you deserve for me. Yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stars. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my buttons with no hesitation.
Guys, I'm tired. Just come out to Ross. But Ross not have not much. Guys, when I get no, just like a casual fit.
Gas me up, give me motivation. Now come give me life and I'll change yours. Who needs signs? I say for it on the high, on the high. When we low,
The setup was really good. But the only thing is they have a lot of mobile car wash personnel who comes to you.
Yeah.
So you find not a lot of persons leaving the home.
Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Tell me where we come.
Philadelphia, day 2 of traveling. Oh my god. So we're at the baggage claim. Bags in the start coming. So yeah, it look crazy.
I look still so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how you love me doing no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love.
Boy guys, and I must have said, oh, me not come check in. It's rush. Me just get ready. That is the fit. Everything rush.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know. Oh, come on, girl. Who cares if we're trash? Got a pocket full of cash we can blow. Shots of Patrol, and it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah.
Question for you now that you have heard Shamir and Whitney.
Alright guys, so the wedding is over. We have like about an hour between reception. So we're going to chill.
I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do when I would not. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze when your love, you see. Now I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do.
Of course, our uncle.
Guys, I'm tired.
Girl, that's Tina and KJ. Come on in.
I've always tried before you
Come on, get them ready. They weren't ready yet. Somebody's gonna run right in the middle and catch you.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, we are in Burlington doing a little shopping. So let me show you guys. Just like showing you some stuff that if I was living in the States, then I'll be shopping for my
work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Tell me about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, my that. Drive me a dessert.
Well guys, I'm still in a Burlington. Pop down my foot, them hurt me. Me tired. No rest, no. I'm tired, exhausted. Just getting some last minute stuff. Really want to vlog in there, but I can't vlog in there. Yeah. So today's Sunday. I'm not sure if I told you today's Sunday, and I'm leaving tomorrow morning. So you know, last minute, the wedding was Saturday. The wedding was really nice and lovely. I left my gold purse, so I met the outfit pop, and what? I mean, that's the least considering what happened to come here, and we made it, you know. But let's give God thanks for that. But yeah, I needed more time. Them place when you come, you can't come 3-4 days in a rush to shop. You buy expensive stuff, and you don't really get a chance to scan the stores. But let's pick up some little things. Next time, Florida to me have better stuff than anywhere else. I don't know. So far, Florida is the place to shop. So my husband gone to Walmart now, and to come back, my foot out, I still don't know wait for him.
People get attached. People get